How to get Bank of America mobile app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get the Bank of America mobile app. But before we get there, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the first thing that you'll need to do is open up your App Store. On your App Store, head over to the search bar on the bottom right and then tap on the search bar. Type in Bank of America. After you search for that, you'll find Bank of America right here. Now, this is not Bank of America, but Bank of America events. You'll find Bank of America if it's available in your region. Since it's not in my region, I'm just giving you an example by using Bank of America events. Now, type in the install button right here that you'll find, and then the installation should begin. So wait for it to install completely, and after it installs, you can open it up and then log in into your Bank of America online banking account. And that's how easy it is, guys. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye-bye. Take care.